This app literally saves you money automatically. No budgeting stress, no complicated spreadsheets, no cutting chai or small joys. It just quietly finds where your money is leaking and helps you stop it. Sounds small? It's not. Most people are losing money every single month without even realizing it. Let me ask you something. Have you ever signed up for a free trial and then completely forgotten to cancel it? Or maybe you took a subscription for 1 month, Netflix, Spotify, some random app, and now it's been charging you for 6 months straight? Yeah, same. This is exactly how money disappears. Not in big, obvious ways, but in small, silent payments. 199 rupees here, 499 rupees there, 999 rupees for something you don't even use anymore. And the worst part, you don't even notice it because it's automatic. That's where apps like Rocket Money come in. What these apps do is actually very simple. They connect to your bank or card and track all your subscriptions in one place. Everything. Streaming apps, gym memberships, software tools, even those random apps you downloaded once and forgot. And when you see it all together, it's honestly shocking. You realize, wait, I'm still paying for this? Here's the best part. These apps don't just show you the problem. They help you fix it. You can cancel subscriptions directly from the app. No searching through emails, no calling customer care, no press 1, press 2 nonsense. Just one tap and done. Some apps even negotiate bills for you or remind you before you get charged again. So instead of money quietly leaving your account, you're finally in control. Now imagine this. You cancel just 2-3 unused subscriptions. That's easily 500 rupees to 2000 rupees saved every month. In a year, that's thousands. And for what? Just cleaning up things you weren't even using anymore. No extra work, no extra earning, just smarter awareness. This is one of the easiest ways to save money because you're not cutting your lifestyle. You're just removing waste. Most people think saving money is hard, but sometimes it's just about noticing what you've been ignoring. If you want more simple tools like this that actually help you save money, follow me.